What emotions are rushing through you when you have a TikTok that goes viral?
It goes viral, I just feel happy. I guess I go. I'm like, finally, my my efforts were paid off. But sometimes I'm thinking, really, out of all the videos that I've made, you make this viral? Because sometimes it's literally the videos that I spend the least time working on. The ones that those are the ones that go viral. Um, but I'm not complaining. That helps me grow more. So why not?
A lot of creators say that they
Yeah,
will put in so much effort and create all of these different series, and the SEO is always on point, and then for some reason it's the throwaway video that you put like zero effort in that becomes popular.
yeah, yeah, and that's totally true. One time I had a video that stayed in my drafts for like weeks, and then I had nothing to post. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna post this one because it looks okay. I just don't feel good about it. I posted it, it went viral. I thought, okay, great. That's why that's a tip for creators. If you have drafts, keep posting them. Doesn't matter if you like it or not. Keep posting it. What's gonna hurt you? Just keep posting it, and some of it may go viral. You never know.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And that also keeps you in the habit of creating something that is decent enough where even if you don't feel 100% about it, you can archive it and maybe you come back to it at a later point and you expand on the idea, or like you said, you
Yeah,
post it just to see what happens. You never know.
yeah. I mean, I have 300 drafts in TikTok.
Wow. Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
because yeah, sometimes I'll film something and I didn't like it, but I still like the idea, so I'll keep it and then I'll refilm it later. Or I have some drafts that I'm like, I don't like this idea a lot yet, but for later, if I don't have enough stuff to post, I can keep that to just keep my audience entertained when I don't have anything to post from the new stuff. That also works.
Wow. I wonder if other cosplayers are doing this as well, because that sounds like a very solid idea, especially when it comes to really focusing on your development. You can see how far you've come over time. You can see what maybe you never had a chance to expand upon an idea, but it was a good idea. Yeah. Great,
Yeah,
great way of working you have.
yeah. Thanks. And just I think one thing that TikTok lacks is in drafts there's no folders, and that makes me so mad because I have different characters, and I always have to search through all my drafts to find specific characters, and it would be so much better if we had folders. I don't know if other creators do that. I think some people do, but when I find a sound that I like on TikTok and I think it would be good for a certain character, I'll literally just film myself in whatever form I'm in at the moment with that sound, save it into drafts, and put in caption the name of the character that I want to use it later. And that sort of helps me remember what I want to do for the next character the day that I'm filming.